Hello guys, I'm Manuel Gadi. It's time for a quick update on the data. So we've seen that Spain, as I was forecasting, is still in the trend. So we saw a little up here on the daily deaths in Spain, but we can see that the yellow line, the moving average 3 days, is still under the green line, that is the 7 days moving average, and the 7-day moving average is now crossing the 14 days. Oh, it has crossed the 14 days, the red line. When was it? On the 9th of April, 2 days ago. Today is the 11th of April. And it's now touching, yesterday, the 10th, it was touching very close to the 21 moving average, as you can see here. Well, that's 681, very close to 707. So we're about to see a overtake of the 21. That means again that the trend continues. We see not only in Spain but in Italy as well the same trend, and apparently we catch up with Italy because Italy, the red line is already crossing the purple line, so they are like 1 week ahead of us, more or less. Well, they are on the actions, so we see on the results. So we suppose that Spain will have the red line. The red line is already bending in Spain, and we will see that the cross will take place in about 5 to 7 days, as it happened in Italy. What we realize is that, well, we can see that the virus go up really quickly, but then it goes down really slowly. And obviously from this side is that you have your enemy fighting against you and you're not doing anything, and then you start fighting back, but obviously your enemy is still fighting against you. So that's not you going up and then you kill all the virus. You have to, your actions and everything will take place in the battlefield. Many countries are realizing and taking actions as it was a real war, and apparently that's what is working. And we'll see. Well, I'm sure when the United States take these actions here, as it was a proper war, they have the best resolve in the world. So they will bend the yellow line and bend the green line really quickly. So hopefully they do that, because as we can see, the daily deaths are piling up. But well, they have a lot of resources, and they resourceful people as well, and clever. So counting on them to resolve really quickly. That's all from me today. I'm Manuel Gadi. Please leave your comment below.